my glitter babes, and welcome back to my channel. I hope everyone is having a fantastic and beautiful day. Before we begin, please do subscribe below, set your notification. Have tons and tons of videos coming, lots and lots of products. Can't wait to share with you guys. Share me with your friends, your family, your coworkers, everybody you know. I greatly and truly appreciate it. Today we are doing a unboxing of Therabox. I have actually never done a subscription with them before, so I'm really excited to see what's in store for us. Therabox is $34.99 a month. It is a monthly subscription, and it has over $100 worth of products inside. All of the products are actually supposed to help with self-worth and self-relaxation and just a more inner, deeper, beautiful, calmer self, which I absolutely love. I definitely love things that are for you. I mean, it's supposed to be for you, so it might as well help you. So that's great. Now, I love the packaging too. It's purple. It matches my dress. I'm very, very excited. So let's go ahead, open it up, and see what we've got. I will put all the items in the description box, as well as prices like normal. I will also put a link in the description box where you guys can go. I'd appreciate if you guys check Therabox out, as well as I believe I have a 15% off on your first box. So yeah, let's try it. Okay, so right off the bat, it looks like they have their own little, it says Ritual Therabox Magazine 2019. So I love that they have their own little pamphlet or paper, and it looks like it talks to you about how you can win a box. It talks to you what they're about, as well as all the products. I wonder if they tell us how much everything is. They do. So that's really, really great. So I will be sure to add that on here so everybody knows what we got. So here's my products. First thing, ooh, it's squishy. It looks like the Gray Cat Sleeping Eye Mask. Now, when I ordered my box, this was actually an add-on for a ridiculously low price. And I've been wanting one. I got one for my daughter, or I got my daughter an eye mask, a kitty cat one, in my FabFitFun box. So I've been wanting one. It says, this adorable sleep mask comes with a removable cooling heating gel pad. So you're able to use it as cold or hot. That's awesome. Let's open ours. Oh, yes. Yes, yes, yes. Look at that. It comes with the own adjustable, just in case you got a big head like mine, or just a whole lot of hair. And mine, it looks like a little fox. It's so soft. Where's this? And it has the little gel mask like it says, so you can put that in the fridge, get it nice and cold, or even follow the instructions and heat it. And then I'm a fox for your nice little eye mask. That was definitely worth the add-on, so I'm very excited to try that. So here are the main products in the box. There's a little sticker here, and it says, here, I wish you every happiness. That's so sweet. Okay. Deeper look. It's a heavy box. You guys can't really tell, but it feels extremely heavy. So the first thing we have here, it looks like a bookmark and a little no, they're both bookmarks. It looks like they're little cactus bookmarks that say hello. I think that's so unbelievably adorable. I'm guessing they're saying relax, give yourself some time to read, to slow down, which is unbelievable. The next item I have is called Moroccan. I'm from Oklahoma. Moroccan Magic. Why am I singing? Moroccan Magic Argan and Essential Oil Lip Balm. Nourishing, hydrating, smoothing, smooth. It's completely organic, and it comes in the flavor or scent lavender vanilla. My husband loves chapstick. I guess he has really chapped lips from all that kissing. Me kissing me. Oh my god, I took this way too far. Anyway, he likes chapstick. So I was gonna give him, I think I'm gonna give him this. Ooh, but it smells so good. Nice and smooth. Totally get that lavender vanilla scent, which I absolutely love. Very relaxing. This would be great to put on even before bed. You know, put on your face mask, your serums, everything you want. Put some of this on. You're good to go. The very next item is, that's so pretty, and it's in a tin can. It's the Flowered Live Soul Salve. What bodies love and souls crave. It is completely made in the USA in Colorado. Let's see. Don't these people know I have trouble opening things? Oops. Anyway, back to the video. Oh my god. Oh, that smells so good. It is exactly like a salve. Oh, that would be perfect, like, just to put over your body when you're just wanting that aromatherapy relaxing. It smells like vanilla and lavender and eucalyptus. It says that it is herbal blend of calendula flower, comfrey, and plantain leaf infused with olive oil, almond oil, beeswax, vitamin E, shea butter, and essential oils. It is completely certified organic. That is so amazing. Oh, I can't wait to try that. I feel like my kids would love that, like before bed, you know, when they're just completely wound up and you just want to go to bed. Put some of that. Everybody's relaxed. I really like this so far. I really like it. This is such pretty packaging too. It's a nice, and it's glass. It's glass, I think. Balm Shell Facial Cleansing Balm. This balm melts into skin, removing makeup, excess oil, and other impurities left from your busy day. Made from mango shea butters, deeply hydrate while vitamin C helps to brighten the appearance of skin. I'm about to smell the thing. Oh my gosh, what's with these crazy smells? Like crazy good smells. It is, you can totally smell, like I said, like mango shea butter, that eucalyptus smell. Oh my god. I just keep smelling. I'm so sorry. I'm not even explaining it. So it looks like this is a facial cleansing balm. I can't wait to use it. I love the idea that all this stuff is naturally made and good for your skin. None of that nasty, pesky stuff that's bad. Okay. Anyway, keep going. Ooh, okay. So this is from Amana Skincare. It looks like it's rosebuds and pink Himalayan salt relaxing bath soak. I think I might have to have my husband clean the bathtub. That is so cool. Can you guys see all the actual rosebuds? I mean, it's like chunky bath salts. It's this one, not quite like the salve. It is way more stronger, but it's made for the bath, so it probably dissipates a little bit when you put it in the water. But I love, look at that. It's actual roses. I love being able to see that it is like a natural item, like a natural product, and you can see the actual things it's made of. I think that's so cool. I can't wait to try this out. Definitely having my husband clean up the tub because he is off work tomorrow. So next is from 20, or it's telling me I'm 20. Oh, I'm 20. It's for sensitive skin, which is perfect. It is a face toner. It's made out of neroli and frankincense. It says made out of 100% natural oils. You just spray it directly on your face. I like stuff like this. when you can just spray it on, so you don't have to worry about, ooh, and it comes with $20 off and a little code that you can use at their site. Ooh, okay, so nice, pretty packaging. Looks like it's a glass bottle. Guys, they're really hitting this with the smells. Smells absolutely amazing. Like, I want to spray this on my face and my body and my husband's face and my husband's body. Cannot wait to use this. This is going to be used tonight because it smells amazing. Amazing. Guys, I'm really trying to talk right. So it looks like we only have, oh, maybe 2 items left. Okay, this is why it was heavy. This is 8 full ounces and it's a glass jar. Oh my gosh, I love how everything is packaged so beautifully and naturally. I mean, look how pretty this is. Like, if you look it up, like, open up where you keep all your skincare products and you see this, I mean, you look fancy. I like it. This is Modern Skin Alchemy. It's hand and body cleanser. It's made from lavender, oh, I love lavender, and mint. And it is handcrafted in small batches. Oh my god. Okay, let's smell this. Totally get the lavender. It's subtle, so it's not very overpowering. Like, I feel like this as a cleanser all over your body is just amazing. I feel like every single product in this box is gonna make you smell like hella great because it's hella amazing. So can't wait to try it. This is a lot. I mean, look at that. I love how it's a all natural handmade product. It just speaks volumes about their box. I'm so excited. Now it looks like we are down to our last item. I almost didn't see it in there. Oh, how cool. It looks like it's a journal. It says that it's a journal of self-discovery and it's really pretty. Obviously, I love the floral accents. It says that it's an evening journal ritual. Daily evening journal prompts. How do I currently complete my day? How does it make me feel? What do I need to change? And things that I'm grateful for. Absolutely beautiful. And it's thick. I mean, look at that. It has so many pages. I cannot wait. It says, bloom where you are planted, which is just beautiful. I am super duper excited. Like, I wasn't quite sure what to expect, and I am so unbelievably grateful to be able to have shown you guys this box. I am completely 100 and a million% excited about every single one of these products. I mean, they're natural, they're organic, they're handcrafted. I mean, they're good for you. I mean, I am so super duper excited. I like how all of these were more skincare slash body, like, relaxing focus. I wonder if that's how they are each month. If they are, I know I'll absolutely love it. Even if they're not, I'm really excited to see what next month brings. So go ahead, check out the description. I'll list everything that's in there, as well as a link to go to their website. I would really recommend them. I feel like this was an amazing box. For what you pay and the products you get, I would definitely recommend this to my friends, my family, my mom. I think this is something she would really love, and I cannot wait to see what next month brings. So let me know what you guys think. Was there a favorite item? If there's something you guys want me to try, comment down below. Don't forget to subscribe. And I can't wait to I cannot wait to see you guys next time. So have a great night and be beautiful, be yourself, and be relaxed.